Namaskar. Welcome to Fresh News at 7 p.m. I am Suresh Gurung and Samiksha Dhital. The government is also planning to open domestic flights and hotel restaurant from September 20. A meeting of the cabinet held on Monday has decided to start domestic flights following the standards of health security. Only half of the seat capacity passenger will have to be accommodated in the aircraft, while masks and visors have been made mandatory. Long distance transport will also be operational from September 20. Entrepreneurs will be able to increase the previous fare by 50%. Also, in case of increased risk of infection, the local administration can take necessary decision. Only one person will be able to sit in a row seat of the bus.
Out of 39,140 samples received in the laboratory of Very Hospital Nepalganj, corona has been tested in 39,000 samples. Of those tested, corona infection was found in only 2,093 samples. Of the 200 samples tested in the last 24 hours, 42 were newly infected. The newly infected people are from Nepalganj, wards 1, 4, 9, 10, 13 and 18 of Baki. Similarly, Khajura 1, ward number 7, Bardias, Gularia 6, Banskhari 5 and others are infected.
The number of corona infected in Baki has reached 1,512. The number of infected people has increased after 41 people were added to the laboratory of Very Hospital Nepalganj and 2 people were added from Bageshwari lab. According to the District COVID-19 Crisis Management Center Baki, 1,078 of the infected have been cured. Now there are 426 people in isolation. 8 people have so far died in Baki due to corona-related causes.
Baka-based journalist Khagendra Dahal, who is free from corona infection, has received rupees 1 lakh as insurance. Vesraj Basnet, General Secretary of the Federation of Nepali Journalists, has provided a check of rupees with the coordination of the Federation of Journalists of Province 5 and the support of the Government of Province 5. Shekhar Insurance has insured more than 700 journalists in Province number 5. Earlier, Bardia-based journalist Kamal Panti was also provided rupees 1 lakh for insurance.
Nepalganj Chamber of Commerce and Industry has brought in Business Tax Service and Counseling Center in coordination with the Inland Revenue Office Nepalganj. Association President Abdul Wahid Mansuri inaugurated the service center today. The service center will provide up to rupees 2 million per annum for new entrepreneurs and taxpayers filling one-day form, tax payment certificate, online form to get PAN number.
Nepal Electricity Authority Executive Director Kulman Ghising has bid farewell to the authority. He has been on leave since today as the government has not extended his term. During his tenure, he had the main responsibility of making the country load shedding free and supplying regular electricity to households. The government has appointed him as the Executive Director of NEA on 29 September 2073.
In the last 24 hours, an additional 1,459 people have been confirmed to have corona infection in Nepal. Spokesperson of the Ministry of Health and Population, Dr. Jageshwar Gautam, further informed about this. PCR tests have been performed on 10,375 people in the last 24 hours. 1,062 people have been discharged in 24 hours. So far, the number of discharges is 40,638. 11 more people have died from the coronavirus in the last 24 hours. According to the Ministry of Health, 7 men and 4 women have died. Including this, the number of deaths from corona in Nepal has reached 371.
The incidence of TB is increasing in Nepal. In the last 2 or 3 years, the effect has been more visible on senior citizens. Even if it does not spread like an epidemic like COVID-19, TB is still a threat to all of us. TB Nepal, Nepalganj TB Referral Center, Baki. If we analyze the data of the facial year 2076 to 77, 2% of TB people are dying.
And the Curriculum Development Center has prepared a textbook covering the total area of Nepal. According to the book Swadhyay Materials on Land and Boundaries of Nepal, released by the Minister of Education, Science and Technology, Giriraj Mani Pokhrel today, the total area of Nepal is 1,47,641.2 4.28 square kilometers. According to Komal Chandra Baral, one of the authors of the book covers about 460.28 square kilometers of Lipu Lekhura-Lipu Lake area, including Lipu Bhanjang between Lipu Lake and Kalapani in northwestern Nepal. The Limpiadhura area was not included in the area of 147,181 square kilometers mentioned earlier. With this news, the time of fresh news is over. Keep listening, reading and watching Radio Morning Star 90 MHz, the radio of your heart. I'm Suresh Gurung and Samiksha Dhital leaving. Namaste.